one artist has transcended culture to truly paint the world.
But it's the opportunities that have come from that way of thinking, putting intent behind your passion.
From collaborations with Disney and BMW,
Music videos for some of the world's biggest artists,
and touring with live acts from opera, pop, and rock.
Rolling Stone magazine called him one of the most inventive acts during his time as a finalist on America's Got Talent.
over the past 20 years, this artist has reached and connected with millions of people through his inspirational message and his commitment to raising over $10 million for charity through his art. He said there is still one goal left for the future.
So I want you to start thinking about the world now through the lens of paint. You ready for this last painting?